Hello, today we're going to do a serpentine belt change on a 5.4 liter 2008 F150. Serpentine belt is down there. We're going to remove this so we can access the belt. Just pull it out there, move it out the way. Now we can access the belt. We want to use the serpentine belt tool. It's long for leverage. Put the tool on the tensioner. Now we're just gonna release pressure on the belt so we get it off. Move the tool to the right. Now release pressure. Got the belt loose. We'll take it off. Come underneath. You can take it around the AC pulley. Take it off the crank pulley. Come back on top. Pull the belt through. You'll have to remove the tool. There it is. Might be able to see the cracks in the belt. Using the DriveWorks belt. Made sure that they matched up. Alright, let's take the belt down over the crankshaft pulley, between the crankshaft pulley and the fan pulley, and then we'll route the power steering first and the alternator, and then we'll do the AC. Work with it underneath. Over the belt underneath. If you have any questions, the schematic on your truck should be there. The 5.4 looks like that. So we got it around the crankshaft pulley. And it comes up on the back side of the belt, goes over the fan. And it comes around that pulley, comes around the power steering. When it comes over the power steering, it's going to come up the back side of the belt, going under the idler pulley. So it goes like that. Over the top of the power steering, back side of the belt goes over the idler pulley, and then it'll go back on top of the alternator. So take the bend in the belt, slip it between the idler pulley and the tensioner. And put that it all the way down so we can hook up the wrap around the AC pulley. You'll see it come through on the AC pulley down there. See it come through on the AC pulley. The AC belt. Comes around the AC pulley. Alright, we got it over the AC pulley, over the power steering, and the other pulleys. Now we just have a loose belt. Pulleys are set flush. Got tension on the belt with my hand. Checking all the pulleys that the belt's sitting flush on the pulleys. Now we're going to pull the tensioner to get it back over the alternator. Moving the tensioner, got the belt over the alternator, release the tension. Checking all the pulley, checking the belt. Got the belt installed. We're checking all the pulleys, making sure that it's going over the power steering, all the extra pulleys, alternator, AC. Make sure the belt's sitting correctly. Everything looks good. Start it up. Alright. Reconnect. Everything's reinstalled. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.